Perfect for car repair, camping light, hiking, barbecue light, outdoor exploration, emergency lighting, all-purpose work light, etc. Super bright and power-saving. 30W handheld portable lighting, 1500 lumen. Replace 200W traditional halogen bulb by 30W COB LED and save 80% on electricity bill of lighting. 3 modes and waterproof. Press the switch on button, turn on the rechargeable COB work light, high, low, strobe brightness mode. IP65 waterproof rating, ensure the LED work light battery powered works fine on rainy days. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. LED work lights portable and flexibility, because the LED work light adjustable is cordless. With a 180-degree adjustable lampstand. So you can put it anywhere just you like. LED work light hanging on truck or handheld. Even on the ground, in the basement, garage, or garden at night. Number 2. LED work light rechargeable and battery powered. Powered by two 18,650 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, included, or 4 AA batteries, not included, equipped with a USB cable allows for quick and convenient charging. Also, serve as a convenient power bank for charging your phone and other devices in an emergency. Number 3. Widely used. Camping, hiking, fishing, barbecue, car repairing, truck, shop, exploring, and more outdoor activities. Number 4. USB charger. The built-in 18,650 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, 4,200 mAh, allow for quick and convenient USB charging, saving trouble from frequent battery replacement. Number 5. Power bank function. The lamp body also comes with a USB output port, 5 volts 1A, and can serve as a power bank for your smartphone or other mobile devices in an emergency. Number 6. 3 modes. The light has 3 lighting modes: high brightness, low brightness, and strobe brightness, meeting your different needs. Number 7. Waterproof. Comes with IP65 waterproof rating, meaning it can be protected against splashing water from all angles, suitable for indoor or outdoor environment, like a rainy day. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How do I charge a cell phone? I have 7 of these, fully charged, and no matter what cord I use, my phone will not charge. Answer. The work light has a USB output port. You can connect the work light with your Apple charging cable to charge the phone. Question number 2. Is the light more bright like warehouse light or it's soft white like a cozy? Answer. OTYTY LED work light is very bright with 1500 lumens. Question number 3. How long does it take for the batteries to recharge, and how can I tell when the batteries are fully charged? Answer. We recommend charging the battery for about 6 hours. You can observe that there is a red light flashing behind the work light. The battery will not flash when it is full. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.